So today I'm going to be giving you my 5 tips on what you should know before you start trading.
This is your African trade.
So number 1, learn. Learn. Before you get into anything, make sure you know what it is. Even if you're about to trade stocks, futures, commodities, anything, forex, crypto, make sure you learn about it. Learn the basics. Learn everything. Master the charts. Be able to give out, analysis. For example, if you're getting into forex, you have to learn the fundamental analysis. You have to learn the sentimental. You have to learn the technical. Most importantly, you have to learn about the intermarket analysis. All of these things, it's not going to come to you because you just started. No, you have to learn. So invest your time and learn whatever it is you want to get into. Number 2, choose a broker. So with brokers these days, you want to make sure, first point I'm going to give is, before I started, I had difficulties in choosing brokers because I had little or no idea about, So I had to do my research and I got to these conclusions. First thing, you want to avoid brokers who are market makers. Okay, these people practically trade against you. Once you put your money, they make money when you lose money. Okay, and they lose money when you make money. So you want to avoid brokers that are market traders. Please run. If you see them, go away, fly. Okay, and then you want to get to ECN brokers. That's electronic communication network brokers. I know it's long. Anyways, those are the brokers you want to definitely trade with. Okay, and then you want to make sure your broker actually has low spreads. I'm not here to talk about spreads or anything like that. You want to make sure that they have low leverage. Okay, how can you trade with a broker that has about that gives you 1:2,000, 1:3,000, 1:8,000 leverage? They want you to blow your account. Run, leave, go away, delete their app, just go away, go, run. Those brokers, they want your downfall. They need your money. So avoid those type of brokers. You want to stick with brokers that give you 1:20, 1:30, 1:50. I personally recommend that you definitely don't take leverage that is above 1:200. Okay, because anything above that, to me, 1:200 is for professional trader. You should be a professional trader to even go for high leverage. If you are a beginner, stick with 20, 30, 50, anything that low. 100 is still fine, it's still okay, but you have to be careful. Risk management. You need to manage your money really well. Make sure the broker is regulated. Okay, I just wrote down a few of these regulators for you. We have FCA, MAS, CFTC, ASIC. ASIC is what I always look out for when I want to get into a broker. Right now I'm registered to about 3 brokers. And the thing is, I love testing brokers before I actually put real money into it. Let me not say real money, much more money. Okay, so I can maybe start testing you with just maybe 100, 200 and see how you do. And then I'll also try to trade for a while and withdraw the money. So you need to make sure that the withdrawals are easy and fast as well, because some brokers, they take 2 weeks. I tried a broker once and I saw my money in like 3 weeks and I was so mad. So I just stopped. So you need to look out for all of these things. And then next thing you want to take note of, sorry guys, like I just woke up this morning and I was like, let me just encourage people out there. If you want to change your financial situation, if you really want something better, and then you really don't have that much, because with forex you can practically start with little. I'm not saying you should go out looking for these gurus who stand and tell you can convert $100 into about 1 million. It's not real. Duh, it's not real. It's not even possible. What? No. But with forex you can grow that 100 to about 1,000 It may take a month, it may take 2, it may take 3. It depends on how fast you are in learning and how good you are in forex trading, okay? It's not all about analyzing the charts. You also need to be able to look out for news breaks, economic activities, and then you should be able to pick pairs that you really want to study, okay? You study them, you know about them. In that way, you'll be able to easily trade them and do your technical analysis. And then you also need to work on your sentiments as a trader, because sometimes you cannot get into the market maybe angry that you lost some money yesterday, you're back to make it back. Ooh, the market will eat you. It will swallow you. I remember how I blew my account. So please don't do that, okay? Sentiment is very important. You should be at your A game when you're getting into the market, and you should also be able to let go lost trades. Forget about them. They are lost, they're gone. So you don't get into forex with money you are not ready to lose, okay? But this is also a powerful financial breakthrough. So it's just for you to learn, pick the right broker, and then the next point is start a demo account, okay? For me, this is important, but I will always tell people, if you want to start trading demo, don't do it for too long. Trade yourself. Like I say, train your eyes to see it. Train your eyes to see the charts. Train your eyes to recognize these charts, okay? But you're not going to spend your entire life training. No. At a particular point, when you believe that you have gained enough knowledge to be able to get into the market, then you get out of the demo account, okay? So demos are mostly to learn, to practice. So most brokers actually offer demo accounts. So you just need to maybe search your broker according to countries, because the thing is, somebody cannot really recommend a broker to you, especially if you guys live, apart from each other. Maybe somebody's in Korea and you're in South Africa. He cannot recommend a broker to you. You in South Africa need to look for your broker by yourself, okay? That is why you need to do your research. Never jump on an advert or a broker telling you, hey, deposit $100, we're going to give you 100% bonus. Eh? That is not real now. Just be careful whatever you want to do. Make sure they are regulated and check for every other thing I mentioned. Aside that, do your research. So trading with a demo account is pretty easy. You just open it with the broker, and then they'll just put in some money. Some of them will give you like $50,000. Gonna put that, you can increase it to 100 and trade your life out. Yes, you can trade yourself to sleep. That works, but just make sure you are learning it the right way. Learn things the right way, okay? So my fourth point I'm sorry guys, my fourth point is you should go live. Yes, get into the real world. Get into that place where you'll be waking up in the morning and checking your phone and like, oh, what has price action done to me today? Where is the order flow going to? You're doubting, you're skeptical, you sleep in your dreams, you're talking to yourself, you're like, this trade I entered, is it going to be good? Is it going to yield? You wake up in the middle of the night and you're like, what's going on? It's going left, it's going right. You get anxiety. So that is why you need to go live. Once you're able to understand trading on a demo account, go live. Practice, put in your emotions. A good trader avoids trading with emotions. So when you put in your emotions, you learn how to control those emotions. Trading is not all about emotions. Trading is about probability. What is going to happen in the market, okay? You have to wait for the market to move, show you a sign before you get into it and follow. Don't just see something, you see the candlesticks dancing and you see them, I don't know, whatever you see, and then you think they're going up, you just go bullish. No, it doesn't work like that. So you have to be able to analyze the market, situate those points, draw your trend lines, get the support and resistance levels. And sometimes you can use your Fibonacci retracement. I always get this man's name wrong, but anyway, Fibonacci retracement is a very, very awesome tool to use for trading as well. So you can actually check that as you continue your trading journey. But that said, go live. You know, you can use the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platforms to trade. They're actually great, but you should actually use your TradingView platform to analyze the market. TradingView is awesome. It's one of the best ever platforms. It gives you the best analysis you could get. So it's just superb for analyzing. But if you want to trade, you get down to your MetaTrader. So you take up your data from TradingView, you put it in your MetaTrader and watch the trade play. So depending on the type of personality you have, I don't know, you just need to teach yourself how to trade with the kind of personality you have, okay? Because nobody will ever teach you the perfect, you know, the way out, the perfect trading strategy. There is no such thing, okay? You just need to get a strategy that works with you, works with your personality. If you have a 9-to-5 job or you're free, that all of those things come into play. If you're somebody that gets easily worried, if you're too anxious, if you cannot control yourself, or if you just get into the market because you just see something, all of those things come into play. So that's why you should go live. Put yourself to the test. See if you can do this. When you go live, you can start with small amounts. You mustn't go like 1,000. No, you can start 100, 200. Some accounts are started with $30. So you don't need to do it too much. Just go in with the little you have. Money, you know, if you lose, you will not cry. If you lose it, you will not cry. Okay, that's it. And then the last thing, you should be able to do it. I don't know why I put this as the last thing, but do it. Yes, that's my last point here. Do it. The thing is, most people run out. They leave. They can't, like, for example, I'm taking an example of myself right now. When I started trading in 2019, I had little or no idea of what it is. I was like, why are people just drawing lines here and there, you know, putting some kind of things and just confusing my soul? So I also did my research and I realized that this trading thing, if you become the 10% of successful traders, you are going to live awesomely. You're going to change your life. You're going to be able to do awesome things. You're going to be able to make money without having to go to work physically. You can sit at home, do your work at home, analyze everything, and still make your money right there and there. So I'm somebody that obviously loves sitting home. I'm the home kind of person, and I would love to make my money sitting home. Yes, that's it. And that's why I actually got into this. And just seeing it, I fell in love with it. I fell in love with trading. I don't even know how I came across it, but we're not getting into that. The thing is, I fell in love with it and I decided to learn. But getting into 2020, I blew up my account about 3 times. Yes, 3. I blew everything I put in. Yes, and it wasn't small. Woo! I blew it. Then I was about to give up. At that point, most traders will give up. I gave up. I stayed for like 6 months. I didn't look at my charts. I was angry. I was mad. 3 times? No, I cannot do this anymore. That was it. I stopped for a while and then I had to look for somebody. Let's put this one as one more point. I don't know. Is it 5 already? Please, you know, you have to condole your girl right now. Anyways, the last thing I would like to tell you is I had to look for somebody, like a mentor, who had to teach me what they already knew. You know, they made my learning curve shorter. You understand? So if you want to get to this thing without having to go through the buzu, the chaos and everything, Get yourself a mentor. Get yourself somebody you trust, that you see, that is showing you real things, real analysis, real everything. You understand? Because a lot of gurus out here will be claiming they trade, pay me this to teach you how to trade. And then you go into it and you realize everything is automated. They don't even teach you anything. They just teach you the basics, the same things you can find on YouTube. You understand? But learning from YouTube as well is like partial knowledge, because these people on YouTube putting out free knowledge, they will not give you everything 100%. You get, they will not sit down and tell you, okay, when I want to trade, I do this, I do that. No, they will just give it to you in general scope. So what do you want to do? Find yourself a mentor, somebody who is already doing this thing, successful in it, who you see. Maybe you watch the person grow in it. You get, and reached a certain point and you're like, okay, I want to learn from this person. Some of them give courses, some of them offer courses, paid courses, some of them offer like I don't know, percentage courses. I don't know, but just get yourself a good mentor. Let them teach you what they have already seen and what they know. Somebody that has been in the market for 5-10 years, they have more experience than you who is just starting. They have seen more charts in their lives than you who is just starting. So why won't you learn from them? As long as you know they are legit, do your research, make sure your mentor is legit, let them teach you and help you, make it shorter for you. Sometimes these courses are not cheap, I know it. Sacrifice, save your money when you know it's legit. Follow them, follow their social media. Before I bought a course, I was following my mentor for about 2 years. I was just there for her free knowledge on YouTube. Every Saturdays and Sundays she gives analysis for the week. Like she takes one pair and analyzes it for the week for free viewers. That was free. You get, I followed her for 2 good years. I followed her before I even started, and I continued following I continued following her even after blowing my account. You get, and then at a particular point I was like, I'm taking this course. I'm taking this course. What do people want to tell me? I'm taking this course, and I took it, and here I am today. I'm able to speak, I'm able to analyze my charts by myself. I'm not blowing my account anymore. Yes. I'm not blowing my account anymore, and I'm doing things the right way. I hope so. I'm not there yet, okay, but I'm just here to encourage you, sis, bro, my African brothers and sisters, my black brothers and sisters. I'm here to encourage each and every one of us. This financial freedom is for everybody. Everybody can make money with Forex. Everybody can make money with stocks. Everybody can make money with commodities. Everybody can make money with futures. The only thing is, not everybody actually knows how to trade. Not everybody knows. So you should learn. Point number 1, learn, find yourself a broker, go demo, go live, do it. And then my little additional, point, get yourself a mentor. Get yourself a course. I've never heard of anything like a Forex school where people go to go and learn Forex, like they enroll into school and learn. No, I haven't heard of it. So what do? You go online, you get yourself somebody. These days, technology has made life easy. So why not learn from technology itself? Just go online there, look for somebody, okay? Learn from them. Let them teach you what they already know, what they have tested, back tested, and just bring it to you. It's not like they're going to put it all on a platter of gold for you. No, you have to also do the work. But they are going to make it easier for you. And you're also going to avoid losing money. That money you will take to blow your account 3 times. Like some people. That money you will take to blow that account 3 times. Take that same money and pay for a course and learn. That's it. Okay, so if you enjoyed my video today, thank you. Just click that like button right down there, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. I'm so sorry I've been away for some time. Your girl was in the books, learning and but anyways, these days we trade like, we can do it. I can do it, okay? That is what I keep telling myself, and that is what I've been telling myself all this while. So if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, so just do your research, whatever it is you want to get into. Right now, I trade Forex, I trade indices, and I trade crypto. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm hoping in the future to get into stocks, futures, commodities, and all whatnot. But you need to have the background knowledge of everything before you get into them. For you, I wish you a beautiful week. Anyways, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I love you, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.